come at the right time.
Good, xin chào.
Hey guys, now we are having lunch in the West Lake. So they're having fried rice.
Fried rice.
With some flours on top, and you always get chicken soup.
10 on 10.
And Coke. 10 on 10. Okay, and what do you call this?
This quay.
Kwai. This is the fried bread.
Fried what?
Fried bread. Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, and this is the pho. Yeah, the famous Vietnamese pho. Oh, pretty hot. So all this is beef?
Yeah, beef.
And it also has some pork? No? It's only beef?
No pork.
Yeah, okay. Oh. You have really good string noodles here.
Yeah.
Let me try. Oh. Noodles is so mellow that we don't even feel it. It's very light. Yeah. And it just disappears once it's inside your mouth. Oh, even the broth is very rich. It's not thick, not very dense, but it feels very nutritious. I guess there's a lot of good flavors to it because of the meat. Oh, that's a good stuff.
Em ơi.
Meat is pretty well
Cho
cooked.
anh xin cúc đá được không? Thêm một coca này. Một coca này.
Oh, this is really nice, guys. Some people told me, rather controversially, that the pho is much better in the USA than in Vietnam. But I'm gonna find out next month. I will try this again in the US.
Oh, yeah.
And we'll
Tạm biệt, hẹn gặp lại.
Wow, very well.
Bye bye. You learned English. Nice. No, you need to say that.
Say what? Đa bù bù lờ mao. Yeah, that's it, right? So I make some tea with you. So you can. Hello.
Hey guys, welcome to the breakfast. So we are going to unbox the gift from DaNang.
Yeah.
We met some really cool kids at the beach and they liked my fly cam and
Okay.
my kung fu, so
What is it?
some typical snack.
I know what it is.
You know what it is?
This
It's a
first
candy.
time.
Alright.
I know what it is too. I know.
Biscuits?
And I don't know what is it in English, you know.
Yeah, this one is pomegranate, but
Okay.
I just never expected this to be of this size. It's pretty huge.
Avocado.
Yeah, and
Nice.
this one is grown in DaNang. It's like pretty huge. Yeah, the avocado smoothie is the famous drink from DaNang.
Yeah,
So yeah, let's try this.
here you go.
Whoa, the consistency is different from what I imagined.
I will
It's-
slice it. It's too big, right?
Yeah, it's a bit spongy. It's like a rice cake, but it's like has sesame and a lot of sugar, I guess. Oh, careful, bro. And we got some tea of the really good quality here. I didn't expect we will have this sliced. Yeah, it's okay. Let's try.
Oh my god.
So is this a biscuit or a candy?
Candy.
Oh, okay.
I think with
Must be very sweet.
yeah.
So how's it? Oh, smells very appetizing. It's very mellow. It's very sticky. Yeah, it's like a bit like sticky rice. It's pretty chewy. I think kids will like this a lot. Yeah. It's very glutinous. It has some seeds. As you can see. Very, very interesting. You like having biscuits for breakfast, bro?
For breakfast?
No, I'm asking you. Do you like having this for breakfast?
No. It's not for breakfast. It's just for tea.
It's just for tea.
Yeah.
Okay, but you know what my friend normally eats in Italy? He just has 2 biscuits like this,
Really?
and some coffee, and that's a breakfast.
Wow.
Try it.
Yeah.
So how's it?
I don't want. I will win. This is a green bean.
Green bean. Oh,
Cookie.
it's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Feels like there's a bit of spice to it. I think it's a good snack for breakfast.
Yeah. Good for tea too, you know.
Yeah, not very crunchy. It has butter, I think, but you know, it's not sweet at all. It's
It's good. It's good.
yeah. I really like this cookie. Wow, it's really fresh. This is very famous.
You need a spoon?
Oh no, I can scoop it. So this is a very famous produce in DaNang.
Yeah. Also here, man.
Also here.
My mother makes this smoothie every day.
What are you shooting? Shoot me.
What?
Shoot me, bro.
Yeah, shoot you. It.
Very buttery and creamy.
Yeah.
I think this is. Oh, now I feel the taste, bro. It's
Yeah.
pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Wow. You know, it's not the same when you export it and eat it in another country.
Yeah.
Wow, this is some damn good avocado. Okay, now.
No. Here. Oh, here.
Why?
The best view, you know. Yeah. Cut it here. Oh, okay.
Hey guys, we are here.
Hello. Yes, I met him around 3 years ago, and right now he came back here with Vietnamese friends, and we're trying a lot of good food here.
Yeah, we are going to try some fries. Okay. What's the name? Nam Rong?
Name Tuozan.
Nam Tuozan.
Tuozan.
Nam Tuozan. Alright. And some French fries?
Yeah, not really French.
Vietnamese fries. Alright. Right, so this one is made with some butter and it's supposedly not really French, more Vietnamese. I should try this without the chili sauce. It's very silky, not very oily, very smooth. Very easy to munch on, I guess. There's kind of deep flavor to it as well because of the little bit of herbs and butter. Oh, it's super delicious. If only I were not on a low carb diet, I would be eating a lot of this every day. But yeah, only today. This one's pork skin, pig skin. Ah, okay. So this one's another favorite street food here. It's very, very crunchy. Roll made from like this meat is made from pork skin. Bit of a deep fry. It has a very fleshy texture to it. A little bit of spice. Oh, it's still very hot. one very happy. Very, very delicious. And I'm gonna have some lemon tea. Tea is always good in Vietnam, and today the humidity is through the skies, so lemon tea it is for today. A bit bitter, but such is the ending of your trip in Vietnam. You don't want to stay only a week here, you want to be at least 2 weeks here. You have a lot of things to try and look around here. Alright, see you guys later from another place with another video. Hey guys, we're at one of our favorite hangouts ever in Hanoi. This is the Dinh cafe. This is very famous. It's a small hole in the wall cafe, but that's very, very historical. And you see all these ancient pictures. They even have the comics. This place is pretty popular among the youngsters and all kind of tourists. So that's why you find the menu in both English and Vietnamese. And because today is too hot and too humid in Hanoi to just have a stroll around the city, I ordered some salted apricot juice, and this is the first time I'm trying the salted apricot juice. So let me see how it tastes like. I just feel all the stress floating away from me. Hey bro! And we have another guest here.
Hello. Is this your vlog?
Yeah, for YouTube. Hello Andy. Yeah, take a seat.
Sorry I was late.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. I was joined by him. Yeah, all the heat gets melted away by the apricot juice, and the salt just replenishes everything you lost through it, right? But I'm told that I need to mix this well first. You see the pieces of apricot below. All that's real, bro. All that's real.
Anh đã tốt nghiệp. Anh có bút. Anh ấy.
Oh, so much better. All the flavors of the apricot along with some sugar were all at the bottom. So yeah, much like a cup of Indian coffee, you need to mix it well and always the sugar at the bottom. Well, think about it. If you forget to do that, you're gonna drink and complain it's salty all the time. And then by the time you reach the bottom, you complain it's too sweet. Jokes on you. Alright, it's time for me to catch up with my friends. So see you again sometime later. Oh no, I first.
Chúng ta sang con gọi trước. Và lúc trước đủ cái tinh sang nó ở đây đấy còn nữa.
Hey guys. Thank you for joining.
Hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Hello world. Because you're going to start a career in programming.
Yeah.
Hello world. This place is really cool. Great for anime fans and cartoon fans. Great inspirational. We spend a lot of hours here. Hey guys, we are at Bun Bo Nam Bo and we are trying the traditional food here, and we're supposed to mix everything, and we have some oolong tea. Let me try. Whoa. It's pretty good, bro.
Better than Bun Bo Hue.
Yeah, I like this. I prefer this than Bun Bo Hue. I think the sauce is very flavorful. Yeah. There's this mild taste of meat along with all the peanuts and the bean sprouts. The meat is also much better. It's a bit chewy. Goes really well with the soft fried noodles. Alright, I guess that's it for now.
Again.
Yeah.
So that's how we get our very complicated.